Alright, Loot Crate finally came in for February 2017. I think it's entitled Build this month. Alright, let's see. Food container. It's Batman. I have to open this bad boy up and see what's inside. That is interesting there. Let's come back to that and open that up in a minute. Ooh. Nice t-shirt there. Power Rangers. With a new movie coming out soon. That's not bad right there at all. Let's see. Lego Dimensions. That's pretty good. Cyborg. Cyberguard. I'll have to put those to use at some point. Let's see. Some Tetris magnets. Never have enough magnets. Let's see. What is this? Just a little thank you note from Loot Crate founders, co-founders. There's the pin, Power Ranger pin. LootCrate.com keys. Have to look into that. Let's see, maybe it's me, but I didn't see a typical booklet. But let me open up this Batman and I'll be right back. Alright, according to this, best used if food's preheated or pre-chilled. So I was thinking maybe it's a koozie or something, but it definitely can store your food, which is nice. Not that it holds a whole lot, but you know, it could be a little lunch or a snack or something. I will stick Loot Crate in the description if you're interested. Go and check it out. I'll see you next time.